Hi, this is Jojo from Sneaker Lab. Here's our step-to-step guide on how to clean leather Air Jordan 1s. You will need a sneaker cleaner, premium brush, a container of water, microfiber towel, sneaker wipes, odor protector, and our leather care. First, you will need to remove the laces from the shoe so you can clean them at a later stage. This will also give you easier access to the uppers of the sneaker. Next, grab our premium brush to remove the excess dirt on the sneaker. It's important to remove the loose dirt to avoid spreading it around the shoe. Start the cleaning process with the sneaker wipe to get rid of any surface level scuffs and stains as we prepare for the deep clean. This spot clean will remove most of the dirt and make the cleaning process easier. These wipes are also perfect for on-the-go cleans. Next, generously spray sneaker cleaner around the Jordan's uppers. Dip the premium brush in a container of water to wet the bristles of the brush. Gently scrub the uppers in a circular motion until a light foam forms. Scrub around the uppers to remove the dirt, and don't be scared to apply more pressure when needed. The premium brush won't harm the leather. You can turn your attention to the soles of the shoe. Apply sneaker cleaner again, wet the bristles, and apply more pressure when needed. Once the dirt has been removed, use our microfiber towel to partially dry them off and set the sneakers aside to dry. Now that your Jordans are clean and drying, you can turn your attention back to the laces. Spray sneaker cleaner on the laces, rub them together in your hands, and dip them in water. Continue this process until your laces are well saturated and beginning to appear clean. You can then wring out the water and leave to dry along with your sneakers. Once your laces and shoes are dry, lace up your kicks in preparation for applying our odor protector and leather care. Use our odor protector to keep your sneakers feeling fresher for longer. If you have inner soles that are removable, spray them in the inside of your sneakers. This will fight off any unwanted odors. Apply leather care to a microfiber towel and gently massage into the leather and leave to air dry. This will keep your leather kicks looking fresher for longer. And that was our step-to-step guide on how to clean Air Jordan 1s. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.